What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Got a 82 C10 I'm working on. Don't mind the headlight. Got some new ones I'm about to put in soon. But right now, the guy I got it from, he already did the flip kit for the rear. So I think it's down about 6 inches. So I purchased 3-inch drop spindle from Tech and a 1-inch lowering spring. And new tie rod, and new ball joints and stuff. So we finished lowering it, man, and hopefully I like the stance. Got this side on. Just gotta put a new tie rod on and, you know, torque everything down. Start reassembling. I actually ordered some lowering Tech shocks, but they'll be here Friday supposedly. So I think for right now I'm just gonna put everything together and see how it looks as far as the stance. Body work is pretty good. Just got about 2 trouble spots. I've been buying stuff from LMC truck, Brothers truck, and Summit and Jigs. Also Thursday I got a new sway bar coming. Took the factory one off. Those are the old springs. I got the sway bar from Jigs as well. It was higher on Summit. Tech and Jigs is about the same price, $223 I believe. 350 motor, 383 stroker. So it really ain't gotta do much to it, but you know, suspension and body and paint and interior. So I'll be coming together real soon. Got a 240 cam in it, so sounds pretty good, man. But there will be more updates on this project, so stay tuned.